Attention. This is a message from the Nevada government. Patient 41D4N, formerly known as Aidan. He has spread a known disease to the following counties: Nye, Esmeralda, Clark Lincoln, and White Pine. We suggest not looking at the creature when you see a green light. Looking at the creature will make your head combust. Also, the entire state is going under lockdown. No one will leave for their protection. Please stay safe for the U.S. Thank you for your cooperation.
This is an emergency message from the Canadian government. Due to recent events in the United States, the virus and the creature 4.1.D.4.N has crossed into Ontario, Vancouver, Calgary, Winnipeg, and Quebec. We suggest not looking at the creature eye the eyes. If you look at him, there is a possibility that your head will combust. The creature is described as green hair, glow eyes, overalls, and can kill anyone within a second, so please not open the door. Stay safe and stay careful.
Le message suivant est apporté par le gouvernement canadien. En raison des événements récents aux États-Unis, le virus et la créature 4.1.D.4.N ont traversé l'Ontario, Vancouver, Calgary, Winnipeg et le Québec. Nous vous suggérons de ne pas regarder la créature dans les yeux. Si vous la regardez, il y a une possibilité que votre tête s'enflamme. La créature est décrite comme ayant des cheveux verts, des yeux brillants, une combinaison. Restez en sécurité et restez prudents.